Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing on PC. And in today's video, I'll show you how to simply export your video in 8K resolution using CapCut video editing on PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do after you are done with everything you want to edit, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and hit on Export tab right here. Then this window right here is going to come up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and name your video right here. How to export 8K. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to come to the resolution right here. Go ahead and click on resolution right here. And then make sure you switch to 8K resolution. Once you switch to 8K resolution, then the bitrate right here, go ahead and click on bitrate. So you can decide to choose the recommended one, or better still, you can choose the higher one. So I recommend to you to choose the recommended one. Then coding. So go ahead and switch your code right here. So CODEC, leave it in HEVC right here. So go ahead and make sure you choose this should be in MP4. Okay, then here frame rate right here. Go ahead and choose your frame rate right here. There are different types of frame rate that you can choose right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to leave it 30 frame rate per second right here. Okay, then scroll down right here and check on the MP3 format right here. Make sure MP3 format is checked, which is one of the best audio exports so far. So it will not affect the audio of the entire video file. Once you are done, go ahead and collapse the video section, and then at the same time collapse the audio sections right here. Then go ahead and come down below right here and go ahead and hit on export, and your video is going to export in higher resolution, 8K video resolution. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing software on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.